Hey, welcome to the Crypto Rocker channel. I'm the Crypto Rocker, and that was a little clip from Metallica 1 because Bitcoin is number one today. Man, I'm telling you, Bitcoin is pumped to $43,600. $43,600 today, and the whole crypto market is up. It's unbelievable what's happening in this market. I don't know if this is anticipation of what's coming with the Bitcoin spot ETF and BlackRock and all the big money getting ready to come in and buy Bitcoin. I don't know if this is because we're getting closer and closer to the Bitcoin halving, which is going to be in April of next year. In case you don't know what the halving is not a stock split where they split Bitcoin in half or anything like that. All the halving is excuse me, they cut in half the amount of Bitcoin that the miners can mine. Well, I say they, but there is no they. It's programmed into Bitcoin. Every 4 years, the hash rate that can be mined as far as Bitcoin is halved. That's it. You know, you can set your computer to mining Bitcoin. Right now, I can get a certain amount, and in April, that'll be cut in half. But the whole idea behind that is so that it's deflationary. It's uninflatable. And what'll happen is that the idea is it'll still be worth it to mine because as it's cut in half, exponentially the value of Bitcoin is increasing. And it's happening. The proof is in the pudding. I mean, it's happening. You know, if you go all the way back to that big fiasco with Sam Bankman-Fried and FTX and that whole thing there, that big, huge collapse, which was a black swan event, nobody expected that to happen. It sent Bitcoin plummeting down to something like $16,000. And there's speculation that it never would have dropped below 20 if not for that. But man, it hit that 15,000, boom, and it bounced, and people bought it right back up. And now look at it. From there, all the way back up, now it's at $43,600. That's just, it's incredible. The strength of Bitcoin, the fortitude of it. There's no stopping Bitcoin. Oh my gosh. I got to have a little bit of coffee here. Oh, that's good. Yeah, I'm just sitting here. You know, it's kind of cold outside. I'm having some coffee, watching the Bitcoin markets. Thought I'd make a video. And it's exciting. I mean, it really is exciting watching these markets here. You know, you got the Bitcoin halving coming up. You got a lot of stuff going on in this world with these markets here. You know, a lot of people are becoming interested in Bitcoin, and a lot of people are beginning to see the value of it as far as, you know, I heard a rumor the other day that there's, what is it, Quebec or Qatar or some country out there who is definitely, you know, having economic difficulties, and they're seriously thinking about coming in and buying a whole bunch of Bitcoin for the treasury of their nation because they see what happened with there's some other country that bought a bunch of Bitcoin and they were being ridiculed because they bought it, and then, you know, it went down a little bit, but now of course it's coming back up, and all of a sudden they're in the black, and the president of that country is being seen as being very, very wise for buying Bitcoin. And now a lot of other countries are going to begin to follow suit. They're going to see that, you know, short-term price action aside, putting Bitcoin on your balance sheet for your country, for your government, for your company, for you personally, for your own personal portfolio is the smartest thing that you could do, because you're buying an asset that cannot be inflated. It's a hard asset. They can't make any more of it, and it's one that's almost guaranteed to be a hedge against inflation. Gold traditionally has been that, but the deal with gold, right? They've got these massive gold mines out there that they own. And the people that own it, once the gold market gets to where they want it to be, the price wise, they shut down their gold mines and they don't allow any more mining, right? But they know there's tons more gold down there. So as soon as they decide that they want to have some more gold for the market, whatever reason, boom, they fire up the mine again. They send down the miners and they start bringing out more gold. You see? You see how it works? But they can't do that with Bitcoin. Bitcoin, that's the genius behind Bitcoin. By the way, I don't know if a lot of you know this. I believe there's a theory that Steve Jobs is the one that created Bitcoin. And everybody knows that the guy who created Bitcoin is a fictitious guy named Satoshi Nakamoto, right? Well, nobody has heard from Satoshi Nakamoto since 2011. 2011 was the last time that anybody heard a peep from Satoshi Nakamoto. And guess what? 2011 was the year that Steve Jobs died. Not only that, but there is one other thing that is a huge indicator that it could have been him. And that is the fact that embedded and encrypted in every single Apple iMac computer is the Bitcoin white paper. Check it out. Look it up on the internet and see if I'm lying. It's true. The Bitcoin white paper is hidden. It's hidden in there in every Apple iMac computer in the operating system. And they found it. They found a back door. Somebody found the back door. They went in there and there's the Bitcoin white paper. Why would that be there? I don't know. I mean, I guess at the end of the day, all you can do is speculate on that one. Steve isn't around to where you can ask him about it. But these are very, very interesting times that we are living in. And my gosh, it's just amazing. It is amazing. Bitcoin. I messed that up. But that's okay. I don't really care, because I'm just having a good time. I'm not here to impress anybody. I'm just having some coffee, playing some tunes. Oh, man. Wow. Oh, there it is, $43,730. I mean, it's just going up, 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 up. But there's going to be a pullback eventually. That always happens. That always happens. Yeah, it's real cold outside, folks. Had a couple flurries here happening before. A little snow coming down, I mean, it's winter. Well, no, it's still technically fall, but it's almost winter. Here in about 3 weeks, it'll be winter. Christmas is coming. This is my favorite time of the year. Oh, I love this time of year so much. I really do. It's great. It is great. So I hope everybody is having a really great this time of year, holiday season, Christmas season, enjoying some good coffee. I hope everybody is involved in some of these markets and you're making money. Being invested in a new and vital market like the crypto market is one of the most exciting things that you can do for yourself. And we're still at the beginning. By the way, this hasn't, if you look back at the 10-year cycles of Bitcoin or the 4-year cycles of Bitcoin for the past 10 years, the big bull market really gets heated up somewhere around 6 months after the halving. So we're expecting that things are going to be really crazy about next year by this time. Let me see, April, May, June, July, August, September. by like September, October, November of next year is when this bull market is going to be in full swing. And that's the way it's always been. You can check it out. You go back to the last halving, go back to the one before that. The halving takes place, and then it's after the halving that the price action starts to really rocket upwards and go crazy. So you're still early. And I would recommend, I don't steer people towards Bitcoin, but I would recommend definitely investing in things like Dogecoin. It's only at 9 cents right now. It's going to go to $1. It's going to have a bull market. Cardano is going to be going back to its all-time highs. It's going to be a $3 to $5 token. It's at 40 cents right now. Filecoin went to like $200 the last one. You can get it for $4 now. The Graph, Fetch AI, these are AI tokens. These coins are going to tear it up this bull market. There's one called IoTeX that's at 4 cents. That's Internet of Things. I talked about that yesterday. I gave some real good information on that. Only the technicals. Only the technicals. You know what I mean? Anchor, another great one. Jasmy Coin. Scale. Scale is great because Scale is going to be the scaling solution for Ethereum. As Ethereum goes up and those gas fees become outrageously high, people start looking for an alternative, and Scale is right there. And this is exactly what happened last time. Scale will start to tear it up when Ethereum starts to go up really high. Right now you can pick up Scale for like 4 cents. And Scale's all-time high was 80 cents back at the height of the bull market last time. You think it's not going to go back there when Ethereum starts to go up to $4,000, $5,000, $6,000? I guaranteed it's gonna. Even, yeah. So anyway, oh, there we are, 10 minutes. Yay! Have a good day, everybody.